Hello everyone and welcome back to NFTVT. Today we will be covering Binance Bull Society. So Binance Bull Society is a collectible NFT which consists of 7,777 uniquely hand-drawn bulls living on the Binance Smart Chain. And we are on the website binancebullsoc.com. So let's look. So these are the NFTs and these have 7 different traits like color, mouth, eyes, clothing, hat, props and background. So based on that, each and every NFT will be unique. And now let's look at their roadmap. So their roadmap is very awesome. They are focused on a community type of thing where they give back to the community. They build the community. They are planning merch. They are planning their own marketplace and so many different types of things. So let's see. When 10% will be minted, they will give away 5 random bulls to the early adopters and they will try to market it. So they have done that part. And on 25% they will spend 3,000 and they are always deciding like the community wants to do giveaway, donation, advertisement and whatsoever. So they take the opinion of community very seriously. And now we are more than 82%. So they are planning on bringing the merch and on also a marketplace where the holders will get the commission from the NFT sales. That's awesome. And once 100% is minted, $10,000 will be airdropped in the community wallet. So based on that, and we can decide what we want to do with that money, like giveaway, donation, advertisement, more, and the community can decide it. So as you can see, the core team consists of the Ox, who is the founder and artist, and DP, who is the developer. You can see his Twitter. And for the communities, you can follow them on Twitter, Telegram, and Discord. I will link them down below. And they have a huge following on Twitter. They have a very active and engaging community on Telegram and Discord. So make sure to join that. Their community is awesome on Discord and Telegram, very active people there. And I'm also active if you want to communicate with me. And for and let's see how we can mint an NFT. So first you have to come here, you have to click on connect and you can use any of this wallets, but I suggest you use MetaMask so you can see your NFTs. Once you click on MetaMask, it will be connected and then you have to click on mint now. Once you click on mint now, a transaction pop-up will come up if you have synced your MetaMask here, and you have to just approve the transaction and it will cost you 0.16 BNB. At current price it's around $80. So make sure that you have more than 0.16 BNB and you have some BNB some BNB for the gas. And once you approve the transaction, so my transaction is loading. Once you approve the transaction from here, so you can see 0.11611 BNB. So once you confirm this transaction, so you can see your bulls here. After a minute you can see your minted NFT on my bull section, and I have minted few bulls and I have bought some off the markets. So I have currently around 8 bulls currently, and few are given to me by the team, and I will be giving away one bull to the NFTVT and the Binance Bull Society community. So these are my bulls and you can find their traits. These are the traits you can see. These are my bulls which I've minted and I love this one. And if you want to not spend this much money, and if you want to choose NFT you would like to buy, you can go to the off market. So the off market, the secondary market is NFT key. I will link this below. You can find their project here. So it is listed on NFT key. NFT key is a very clean platform, so there will be no hassle if you are searching for any NFTs here. And I suggest this platform. It's very clean, very neat, and you can see all the traits, the rarities are given here, and the floor price is also given. So it's like 50 BNB has been traded and the floor is at 0.1, which is like $50 currently. And you can find here listings, price lowest. You can search and you can search based on the rarity. And some rare bulls have even sold for 4 to 5 BNB. So this project has massive potential based on the community growth, the community excitement, and the airdrops and all these stuffs. And there will be more stuffs added to the roadmap as we move forward. Now let's look at my collection and what I will be giving away. So this is my collection, and I would like to give away this bull. This bull, the bull number 4366. So what you have to do is, once I publish this video, I will link the Twitter. You have to tag me and the Binance Bull Society, and you have to subscribe to my channel and leave a comment. That's it. I will select the winner within 3 days, and I will give you one amazing bull that's worth more than $80, and maybe the floor price would reach soon $200 to $500. Is an amazing project with high growth potential, and I suggest all of you to mint one for yourself or either buy one for yourself to be a part of this amazing community. That's it. Thank you. NFTivity signing out.